Hi there, welcome to this update video. I'm Emmanuel Ortega, your instructor for this course. And I just wanted to let you know that this was one of my very first courses. Actually, I love this course. It was one of the very first ideas I had to offer to my students. As you can see, this is a mass balance course, which is one of the fundamentals and earliest courses or introductory courses to chemical and process engineering. I created this course back in 2014, and to be honest, I haven't updated or added any other type of content. But still, I think there's a lot of value worth checking out and showing to the students. So that's why I decided to update, refresh, and restructure my mass balance courses. Now, I just want to show you all the changes that I have been doing to the course. Number one, I changed the type of platform. Before, it was a unique website for the course. It was not so friendly. It is based on a WordPress and it was not so intuitive and friendly. And now you can see this in my main platform. It's way easier to find content, it's way easier to continue, and more importantly, it motivates you to get throughout the course. Number two, I restructured, changed a little bit on the lecture names, block names, to make more of a sense. Number three, I added a special reference lecture so you get easier and faster downloads of the resources and materials that you can find in this course. Number five is that I wrote an ebook which is based on the mass balance methodology for problem solving. This is a book that you're not going to encounter anywhere outside this course. Number six is that I added a common Q&A and of course common questions that you will encounter in an interview related to the mass balance course. Number seven is that now I separated a practice problem course versus the theoretical course. This is the mass balance fundamental course. You're going to encounter most of the theory and exercises that are related toward this topic. But if you really want to boost your knowledge and you want to focus more in practice problems, you can get the companion to this course, which is the Mass Balance Practice Problems course. This is mostly done for two main types of students. Number one, the academic student that requires a lot of practice problems to understand how to solve a lot of material balances. And number two, a recent graduate or maybe a process engineer that has already the understanding on how to solve engineering problems, but want to refresh their knowledge or their theoretical knowledge on mass balance alone. And those are the main changes. Of course, there are some little details, but overall, I really think that those are the ones that matter to you the most. Now, I just want to remember you guys that this course offers a lot of worth content on mass balance. And that's why I decided to update this course so it can show the real value to my students.